good evening to each and every one of you. Like it is said that the best asset a nation could have are its healthy citizens. And how do you make their citizens healthy? Is by making sure that the children that we have are healthy. So when they grow up, they become healthy citizens. Who better could we have today than one of the best and most sought after pediatricians of Jamshedpur, Mr. R.K. Agarwal. Sir, thank you very much for being with us here today.
Thank you, thank you.
When I had a child, I've definitely मैं आपके clinic में आया हूँ, आपके बाराद्वारी clinic और आपका जो गढ़बासा वाला clinic है. Sir, not once have I seen that बाहर patients की line नहीं लगी हो. So the kind of busy schedule that you maintain. So first and foremost, thank you very much for taking time out. And I always wonder, मैं उर्वी मेरी wife को भी बोलता हूँ कि सर कैसे maintain करते हैं अपना ये time schedule, पता नहीं है. But sir, you've seen, I mean, हम देख रहे हैं कि पिछले 4-5 महीनों से जो pandemic या ये COVID-19 जो सबके दिमाग में चल रहा है. So there were certain questions that we had in mind, and we definitely want even our viewers to, get information first hand from you. So sir, you know that how अभी people are looking at instant solutions. कि भाई मुझे email भेजना है तो मैं mail भेजना तो email कर देता हूँ, पैसे भेजने तो wire transfer कर देता हूँ, अगर पेट दुख रहा है तो ये दवा खा लूँ. So people are looking at बस 5 मिनट में ठीक हो जाना चाहिए. So what do you think, especially with young people who are having children, how should they be addressing issues like this in terms of if a child is having a headache or a stomach ache or a leg ache? Should we straight away go for medicines कि वो जो हम लोग बोलते हैं जो घरेलू नुस्खे इस्तेमाल करने चाहिए? सर आपका क्या टेक है उसमें?
No, actually, if you are talking about COVID-19, this is a new virus. It is going to survive, and there is nothing to panic. Most of the children are coming at present for last 3-4 months, mainly with the loose motion, vomiting and mild fever.
Okay.
And since end of March till today also, our OPD has 20% rush. It is mainly due to why? Why it is mainly due to because children are not going out.
Right.
They are not going to school. They are not taking outside food, and most of the mothers are more conscious, so taking more care of the child. So most of the seasonal fever, loose motion, vomiting, cough and cold, they are almost 20% of the annual.
Yeah.
So the result is good, but COVID-19 for children it is a very mild disease. Most of the children are asymptomatic carriers. They don't even have the fever, and if there is some symptoms, only fever, mild cough and cold.
Okay. So sir, when you say asymptomatic carriers, मतलब if a child has COVID, which is asymptomatic, so आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि उसमें है. But he is a carrier and can be उसको parents को लग सकता है.
He can transfer to means naturally all the members of the family are going to catch it.
Okay. So आपने जैसे बोला कि अभी आपके पास जो footfalls होते हैं patients के, which is 20%.
Yeah, only 20%.
But ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि people are very cautious and they don't want to come out of the house.
No. If they have emergency, they will definitely come.
They will definitely come.
Yeah.
So it's I think it's
even
because
if the child has fever, they will be more anxious, and they will definitely.
Definitely. कि भाई कुछ गड़बड़
they are not even getting phone calls.
Okay. So you're saying because they're not going to school, because they're not exposed.
Not exposed, yeah.
So, that also makes sense. So, sir, how is like you said, COVID is in case if a child is infected, how is a COVID infected child different than a COVID infected adult?
No, the immunity in the children is different.
Okay.
Immunity in the children is quite different from the adults. They have some immunity from the mother. For first 2 to 3 years, they are already having some immunity, and the body response to the infection is quite good.
So आप बोल रहे हैं कि they are less prone to
less prone to
thing. अच्छा, because what
no, they can get the infection, they can get the virus, but the symptoms are very mild.
Very mild. So it might not harm them, but उनके
because
parents
the
को, grandparents को.
body response is much better than the adults.
Okay. And how about infants, sir? एकदम छोटे जो होते हैं.
Infants can get only from the mothers.
Okay, only for the mothers. Right.
There are few cases in India, quite few, maybe 10 to 15 only, but they are all from the mothers.
So, but हम लोग काफी बार सुनते हैं, for example, even when my son was small, कि भाई immunity को boost करने के लिए कुछ चाहिए, immunity कमजोर है, इस बच्चे की immunity अच्छी है, इस बच्चे की immunity कमजोर है. They are of the same age, very good physically, but immunity बोलते हैं कमजोर है.
No, not exactly immunity, that is sensitivity. Some children are sensitive to some virus.
Okay.
There are COVID is the not only one. There are several flu viruses. Some children they get every 15 days, maybe 3 to 4 times in a year, and some children are not getting for the 3 to 4 years also. So that depends on the sensitivity of the child to that virus.
Okay, so it is not the immunity you're saying; it's the sensitivity to a particular virus. Right. We've also seen lately, we've been using masks, and there is an excess use of sanitizers that we are seeing. And even मेरे घर में भी जब बच्चे हैं कुछ नहीं है तो पापा सैनिटाइजर लगाना है, खाना खाना है. What do you think? Should a child be using sanitizer? How bad is it for him?
No, it is not bad. That even we don't know exactly how much it is harmful. But definitely before touching anything or going outside, coming back to home, hand washing is must.
So we should rather go for a hand wash rather than using a sanitizer.
Hand washing is must. For 20 seconds it is must. Because coronavirus has the cover is lipid. Lipid layer dissolves in the soap water.
So you are saying that washing hands is more suitable than using a sanitizer?
More important than the sanitizer.
Okay. Other than corona, sir, we've seen that lately, a lot of children, for example, if I talk about my child, they take a long time in developing their speech, maybe. And some children develop it very early. Some children, they lisp के कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, जो बोलते हैं वो सब तुतलापन होता है. So is there a particular reason for it?
No, that is not the reason. Speech develops when the child plays with the other children. So maybe that may be one of the reasons. Child is isolated in the home.
Okay.
And he is not going out, or he is not going to the play schools. So it may delay somewhat, but that may not be the reason. Mainly any vocabulary or speech the child develops when he plays with the same age group. He learns there.
Okay. So like इसके पहले आपने जब बताया कि children now since April they are in a very safe environment. घर पे ही रहते हैं, बाहर नहीं जाते हैं.
They are less.
So isn't that not good for them to develop immunity or sensitivity?
Immunity is definitely better, but if they don't get the exposure, the antibody will not be there in the body, and next time when they get exposed, it will be very easily targeted.
They'll be targeted very easily. So for a reason it is good also, and it is bad also because they are not exposed.
At present it is good.
At present it is good.
So they don't have to go in such an environment to the clinic, or they have to go to hospital. It's better.
Okay.
Why India has such a mild disease till date also?
Is it milder?
Yeah, it is milder than other countries because the immunity in the Indian people is much better.
So you're saying it is mild because there are lesser deaths, that's why?
Lesser death. The frequency is less, and if we calculate according to the population of the country, it is very mild.
Okay. But we've also seen that what the situation was maybe in April and May, it is getting worse. More and more people are getting.
Number of cases is going to increase.
It will still increase.
Yeah, it will increase.
So do you think that we've been getting all
it
these?
is highly contagious.
Yes. we've been getting these WhatsApp messages कि भाई जुलाई में पीक आएगा और अक्टूबर में पीक आएगा. So what should a normal person, how should we take it?
That is not reliable. Even WHO is not, ICMR is not able to estimate what will be the situation.
Okay. I mean, you being a very well-known name in Jamshedpur, and we also have a lot of aspiring doctors, who of course they would like to take different medical fields. What advice would you like to give them? Is it hard work? Is it?
No, advice means it is definitely a very hard time for us. Even we are in the clinic, the patient footfall is only 20%, but we are more tired today because of the tension in the mind. Every patient, any child comes, it means we think it is, and it has been guided to us to suspect every patient as a corona patient.
Of course.
You take care. You have to do your duty, but precaution is must.
So you all are in the front line.
Yeah.
You all are dealing with patients like hands-on. So सबसे पहले risk आप
each child there are 2 parents also.
Correct. So आपने कोई भी special precaution लिया है कि भाई अगर कोई आ रहे हैं तो?
हाँ, precaution मैंने लिया है. One parent with a child, we have made a distance of 6 feet at least, and hand sanitization, mask is must.
Okay.
We provide the mask if they forget it, and
so I think these are very essential things that every clinic or every even like a store of ours, हम लोग भी ये सब precautions लेते हैं.
Every day we sanitize the clinic.
Okay. So whenever we actually हम लोग जब भी डॉक्टर्स और सब की बात करते हैं तो काफी सीरियस जैसे कोरोना का बात हो गया, very serious talks. So we've had a little rapid fire round over here, wherein everybody wants to see that non-serious Dr. R.K. Agarwal and you. So I will ask you some very quick questions.
Okay.
And जो आपके दिमाग में आए, you'll have to just keep answering. One film, of course you watch films. One film which has inspired you. हिंदी इंग्लिश कोई भी.
I see very little.
कोई भी एक मूवी जो आपके दिमाग में आती है.
अमिताभ बच्चन की थी Piku, yes.
Piku, oh, it's a lovely movie.
Lovely movie.
Piku is a lovely movie. अगर आप डॉक्टर नहीं होते तो सर क्या होता है?
बिजनेसमैन होता.
किस चीज का बिजनेस करते हैं?
वो नहीं सर. My whole family in business only.
Okay. नहीं सर डॉक्टर ही ठीक है अभी तो. ट्रैवल जब खुलता सर, समझिए ट्रैवल खुल गया है. One place that you would first go and why?
In India.
Wherever.
Wherever. Switzerland.
For a holiday with family.
Yeah, for a holiday.
आपके हॉलीवुड या बॉलीवुड में सबसे अच्छी एक्ट्रेस कौन सी लगती है आपको?
Actress depends.
Movie to movie.
Yeah, movie to movie, and the acting in that movie.
कोई specific favorite नहीं है. Okay. So your real life role model, whom do you look up to?
One of my senior, Dr. Ashish Roy.
Okay. He was like a mentor to you.
Yeah. He has guided me a lot.
I know you're a very busy doctor. Like I said, कि आपका हमेशा भीड़े रहता है. Free जब रहते हैं आप, what do you like to do? What is your hobby?
Hobby to relax in the house and with family, because we get very less time with my family.
Of course.
And even on Sunday I don't want to go anywhere. And even if it is very emergency, I go out for some time only.
Okay. So no specific, just relax at home with family. You like spending time with family. Sir, अब तो आपने इसका भी जवाब ही दे दिया है कि which place in Jamshedpur do you visit the most other than your clinic?
Bishtupur.
Any particular place?
No, mainly for with family for some shopping.
Shopping and all that.
Yeah.
एक कोई चीज जो आपके पास अभी भी एकदम संभाल के पड़ी है, जो आप बचपन से आपके पास कुछ पड़ी हो? ऐसी कोई चीज है?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं लग रहा है।
एक ऐसा कोई चीज जो आपको लगता है मैं कभी कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ, जैसे स्केटिंग करना हो, साइकिलिंग करना हो, ऐसी कोई चीज जो आपको आज तक लगा है मैं नहीं कर सकता?
स्विमिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट।
स्विमिंग नहीं करते हैं?
आई हैव ट्राइड सेवरल टाइम्स, लेफ्ट इट।
बट डू यू फॉलो एनी फिटनेस सर? आप कुछ मॉर्निंग वॉक्स?
या एकदम डेफिनेटली रेगुलर मॉर्निंग वॉकिंग एंड हाफ एन आवर ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस।
ओके, सो यू कीप योरसेल्फ, यू लुक फिट, ऑफ कोर्स कीप योरसेल्फ
डेफिनेटली एकदम।
चलो
सर 3.5 kilometers of walking,
fast brisk walking.
just walk.
Great. That was a lovely round of rapid fire, sir. Thank you very much. And from everybody at Keshavji Chhaganlal, a big thank you to Dr. R.K. Agarwal for taking time off and speaking with all of us today. And sir, wishing you a very, very happy Doctor's Day in advance.
Thank you.
And best wishes for the coming year, sir. May you and your family be very healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.